Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum continues to hold quite well. The decline remains corrective. Yeah, basically the scenario from the previous update is still valid. So this is just a quick middle of the day update. We have a few levels to watch. Overall, I'm still tracking a potential 5-wave move to the upside in this wave 1, which could be topping at any time. But I have to repeat what I said in the previous video. Don't just assume that a top has formed, right, or will form. It is still the preferred interpretation that it will form, but the market needs to give us some evidence that the current trend is broken, okay? That is needed because if you don't listen to what the market says, then you might exit a trade far too early. The potential to the upside is still huge on the ETH chart, yeah? If we don't see a pullback develop in a wave 2 here, yeah, before the price breaks above the 78.6 extension at $2,534, then I will accept that we are already in this, well, basically in the heart of a third wave rally, that maybe this 1-2 was down here somewhere. We have a 1-2-1-2 set up on the chart anyway, and it would basically just mirror, for example, what Rune has done. Yeah, Solana just well, it's a completely different chart, but they would escalate more directly, right? And you know that ETH is basically ready for outperforming Bitcoin, but also here on the ETH BTC chart, we have to wait for that signal. It's not there yet, and you just need to understand that if we're really in a third wave, which the chart tells us we are, then another 1-2 setup, clear 1-2 setup isn't needed and not guaranteed. So again, you know, that could send us quite quickly then into the region around $3,815 to $4,500. Therefore, you know, if you say, okay, you know, I sell everything now, you know, and I buy back lower, that pullback might never show. I'm just saying, okay, so it typically just tells us where the risk is sitting at the moment until such micro support isn't broken, which we're tracking on the smaller time frame. The trend is up, okay, and it's holding really well, okay. So if we go to the shorter time frame count again, the idea is that yeah, this wave 1 could be topping at any time. I mean, it's fulfilled all the requirements. It's just that it hasn't shown a deep pullback yet, and the level that I need to believe that this wave 2 has started is the $2,225 level. When that level breaks here, the swing lows that were made yesterday, then it would be confirmation, not certainty, but confirmation that the wave 2 has started. And support is between, support, not target, yeah, is between 1676 and 2008. That down here is really the key support. We can be more specific about targets once we see a little bit of price data in this correction. But for now, it's holding even the highest micro support. Looking at the microstructure, I told you in the previous video that as long as we're holding $2,303, it's still in this current structure anyway, even on the micro level. And one more hike could occur here easily in this wave 5. Below 2,303, we are watching 2,254, but it takes really a break below that 2,220 level to confirm that a top has formed in wave 1. Until then, the trend is up, and I'm going to look for alternative micro counts if we really break above. Well, I will continue to look for it. It just takes a bit of time to work through the different wave counts and alternatives, because this count is technically full. Now, a full wave count doesn't mean we have to pull back. It just means now we have to be watching, right, for a potential pullback, but it doesn't mean the pullback will definitely happen. The trend is up, and I'm tracking only bullish scenarios at the moment. Okay, that's my update about Ether. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.